Hey, it's Eric Lee with VictorEric Design+Build. Today, we are bringing you on a special home tour of this house that's just completed. It's a very special project, and we wanted to make sure you get in there to see it before the clients move in. Welcome! I'm so excited to be sharing with you our signature project today in the west side of Vancouver, overlooking a golf course. And this is a $22 million home, so let's get started. Let me share with you why this house design is so unique. As you can see from the outside, it's all curvature. And when I was working with this client, she really wanted something non-rectilinear like other modern homes. She wanted something very flowing, very curving, and that's why you have all of this. This entry here is just a symphony of curves dancing with the light and the skylight that we positioned strategically up there. This beautiful wall here that double layers and comes out with an LED to highlight the edge lip there, it's just gorgeous. You'll notice that this entry is very unique. This is what we call a gank entry, and it's very typical in a Japanese home. These clients that I designed for spent a lot of their time in Japan, so I thought this would be a great homage to the gankan in a traditional Japanese home. And the idea of the gankan is that the dirt of the shoes and everything stays on one level, and that's why you'll see it raise up about 6 inches to get to the main house. This beautiful staircase is a sculptural masterpiece. It may look simple, but it was actually very hard to design, to draw, and to construct. Why? Because there's no straight lines. Doing a box is simple, but something like this where there's multiple angles, multiple curves, we really had to put it into our computer model and model it out, give every single dimension, every inch to the tradesman, and then they can build it. And even in building it, it was very difficult because you can't build this out of plywood. It's going to crack with expansion and contraction. So we actually had to frame it up and then finish off with Bondo, which is an automotive finish that doesn't crack. So now let's check out the kitchen. And there would be a dining table here. The client hasn't moved in yet, there's no furniture, but I do want to show you what's behind this secret door. We designed a secret pantry for them with a concealed door. Check that out. So it's quite cool. We wanted to keep everything very clean, very modern, and very minimal. And this kitchen is an example of that. Again, bringing in the organic form with this island here. And this island is one of the 3 pieces in the house that we use thermoforming for. And thermoforming is a technology that's very advanced. Not many people can do it, but we're basically melting the countertop material so that we can bend it the way that we want to and then finish it off. This island is really the centerpiece of this kitchen. It continues that organic curved architecture that we started on the exterior into the entry, and now bring that accent into the house. And of course, accented by these curved pendants, just tops it off. Of course, there's always some secret components, like this countertop plug. At the back here, we have the walk island, and finishing it off is this edge lids cabinet. This house is entirely concrete construction, and we did that for 2 reasons. The client really wanted a solid, sturdy house, and nothing beats concrete. Plus, they really wanted to capture that awesome view towards the back where the golf course is. And by making it concrete, we allowed larger expanses of glass and also floor to ceiling. So you can see this window system is very special. What's even more special is the glazing with it. We source this glazing directly from Silicon Valley. The technology is electrochromatic glass. And what it does is it actually senses the weather data, and there's a sensor up at the roof where it knows that when the sun's coming through, it would start to pre-tint. So this is an automatic tinting glass to help control the thermal of this home. We don't want to overheat, and also for privacy, you can override it and tint it right down. That's the beauty of it. This glass was integrated with our smart home systems and tied in with the mechanical system, so it's a symbiotic relationship where we control the energy performance of the house. Before we leave this living room, I want to also share with you this beautiful fireplace that we designed, and the special thing here is the live edge hearth. When we were working on this home, before we demolished it, there was this tree that we really wanted to keep, but we weren't able to salvage it. And what we did was we took the wood of it and we created the live edge lodge here and also in the powder room that we're going to show you right now. This live edge ledge here that we put in the powder room is also salvaged from that wood of the tree from the old house. And I wanted to introduce this powder room for you because it's quite special. We have a separated toilet compartment here with an integrated garbage compartment. We want to keep everything clean here. That includes this garbage compartment here where you can replace the bin, and of course a sculptural pedestal sink, finished off with a beautiful edge-lit backsplash. This house actually has 3 master bedrooms, 1 on every floor. This one is on the main floor. And what we did here was design a custom headboard with a curved built-in night table. All that's missing here is a bed, and that will be coming very soon. We also designed a mirrored TV unit, also with integrated drawers. Now let's show you what's behind here with the walk-in closet and the master bedroom. The walk-in closet itself is a custom designed master bedroom closet with the most gorgeous chromatic countertop. And then we have the open ensuite here. Custom designed textured cabinet fronts that you'll see here with the makeup vanity, a 0 threshold shower so that you really get that walk-in feel, and of course a freestanding tub on a backsplash that's just to die for. And behind here we have the toilet room. For the rest of the main floor, what we have is the laundry room off over here, and then what's behind this tower is the elevator. Every house at this scale should have an elevator. And what you'll notice is, of course, these wood slats, and you're wondering, what is that? That's very interesting. It is a design element, but secretly, that's a single direction mirror. So one-way mirror that you can actually look out from the top master bedroom so you can see who's coming through the hallway. I hope you like the tour that we've taken you on so far, but that is not it. Make sure you subscribe and check back with us because our next video will show you the lower level, the upper level, and the exterior of this amazing home.